Everybody would say, wow, your teeth, they look so good. Lots of compliments. In fact, I went out one night with my other daughter to the cinema with her boyfriend, and the boyfriend said to my daughter, your mum has lovely teeth. And my daughter said, yes, they're from Turkey. I'm proud of them, yeah. 5 years ago, I came along with my daughter, Amy, who was coming to have some veneers. She wanted somebody here to support her, and I said, I'll come along, but also I want some treatment too. So that's why I ended up having my treatment with her. So she had some veneers done on the top, and I had faux zirconium crowns, top and bottom. I'm very happy. I'll tell you what I've noticed when I look back on photographs in my phone. For the last 5 years, I smile a lot more in every photograph. Before, I would smile like this without showing my teeth, but now I'm confident to smile. My teeth, I had some veneers in the UK. They were very bad veneers. Some years ago, the colour changed. I just decided that I wanted something done permanently, so I came along. When Amy told me she was coming to Turkey, I was a bit worried. I said, how do you know this dentist is okay? Are you confident? She said, Mum, I have done all my research. This is top dentist in Turkey. We need to go to this dentist. It's been fantastic, being able to smile confidently now. Before, when I came, my teeth were a bad colour. I had lots of gaps between my teeth. I'm so happy with the result. It's been fantastic. Yeah. I've come because my husband liked my smile so much that we have said to him he needed to have something done with his teeth. His teeth are in a bad condition, so I've come along to support him this time as well. And next year, because my daughter Amy gets married, she told him, you have to go to Turkey before you get married. So when I came 5 years ago, you were in a different building, and this time this building is fantastic. It's in the centre. We are staying down in Kadıköy, 30-minute walk here. Lovely, yeah. We had a lovely holiday as well, and the treatment was done within about 5 days, few treatments. Then after the treatment, when I went back to the UK, there was a little bit of sensitivity for a while, but that settles. And I think at the time I thought, oh, what have I done? But yeah, it was fine. It settled and no problem since. Anybody has any doubts about coming to Turkey to have treatment done, don't worry. Coming to Maltepe, it's fantastic. I've had a great experience. Thank you.